Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 tire pressure light issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A tire pressure light illuminated in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as the warning staying on after startup, appearing while driving, or returning shortly after tires are inflated. Verified owner reports and service information show that tire pressure monitoring system concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on wheel configuration, sensor condition, and environmental factors. One verified and frequently reported cause involves low tire pressure. Seasonal temperature changes can reduce tire pressure, especially in colder weather, triggering the warning even if no puncture is present. This is one of the most common and expected reasons for the light to turn on. Another confirmed cause relates to tire pressure sensor issues. Sensors located inside the wheels can fail due to battery depletion, internal damage, or signal loss over time, causing the system to report incorrect pressure data or keep the warning light illuminated. Improper tire inflation after service is also a documented factor. If tires are inflated unevenly or not set to manufacturer-recommended specifications, the system may continue to detect an imbalance and keep the warning active. Tire rotation or wheel replacement-related concerns have also been reported. When tires are rotated or wheels are changed, the system may require a relearn procedure. Without this, the vehicle may not correctly identify sensor positions, leading to a persistent warning. Road damage or slow leaks are another verified consideration. Nails, valve stem leaks, or bead sealing issues can cause gradual pressure loss that repeatedly triggers the light even after reinflation. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include sensor communication interference, temporary system faults, or software-related monitoring behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking and adjusting tire pressure to factory specifications, inspecting tires for leaks or damage, performing a tire pressure monitoring system relearn, replacing faulty sensors when confirmed, and scanning the system for fault codes. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 tire pressure light complaints are resolved through proper inflation or sensor relearn procedures rather than sensor replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, wheel setup, and driving conditions. In conclusion, a Ford F-150 tire pressure light is typically linked to low tire pressure, sensor-related issues, or system calibration needs. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.